Boss, nag-question po ako sa babae kung pwede siya ligawan. Sabi niya pwede daw po siya ligawan at gumawa ako way at moves. Bumili na po ako agad flowers for her at alam niya bumili ako para sa kanya. At sabi ko naman sa kanya hindi ko siya pinopressure. Alam niya mag-meet kami September 20. Biglang naging 30 na lang daw kasi nagre-review center running for teacher siya. Dahil exam na niya sa September 29 at busy siya, sabi niya hindi daw siya makakapag-focus sa akin, mas inuuna mas lamang daw ang study. Pero sabi niya babawi daw siya sa akin after exam. At mag-meet up daw kami sa September 30 at last chat sa kanya September 15. Hindi na nag-respond mga message ko 3 days na. Ano po ba dapat gawin ko? Panghawakan ko pa ba mga sinabi niya at hihintayin ko siya o titigil ko na ang aking panliligaw? So September pa pala ito nangyari, no? And I apologize for the late reply. Kaya I always advise you guys to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. Para sa mga time-sensitive na concerns like this, ay matutulungan ko kayo kaagad. But anyways, I digress. So ang unang-unang mali mo dito bro, binigyan mo na kaagad siya ng flowers. Mga sigarilyo, always remember, huwag kayong magbibigay ng mga presents or gifts sa mga nililigawan nyo pa lang. Kasi it will come off as a bribe for sex if you do this. And by doing this, makikita na ni girl ang feelings mo for her. Mawawala na yung pagka-misteryoso mo. And when the mystery is gone, the attraction drops. And isa pa, binigyan mo ng flowers and then sinabi mo walang pressure. Bro, the act of giving her flowers is enough to make her feel that way. You are getting too serious too soon, sigarilyo. You should have kept it simple lang. Ask her out on a date at least once a week. That's it. No need for gifts na. You should reserve the gift giving kapag exclusive na kayo. And even then, you should do so sparingly. So ngayon, hindi na siya nagre-reply ano? And you're asking kung magsa-stop ka na ba sa panliligaw sa kanya. Well, kung hindi na siya nagre-reply sa'yo, then that's a good sign na mag-stop ka na. Siyempre, paano mo liligawan ng isang taong hindi naman nagre-respond, di ba? Like I always say here in the channel, dating is like a game of tennis. You hit the ball over the net and the other person hits it back to you. Now, if the other person stops hitting the ball back to you, itutuloy mo pa ba makipaglaro sa kanya? Para kang tanga nun kapag maglalaro ka pa. Syempre hindi na. Maghanap ka na ng ibang player who is enthusiastic to play with you. Having said that, if hindi na siya nagre-respond sa'yo, walk away and never look back. Hanap ka na ng ibang babae who is willing to go out on a date with you and enthusiastic to have a genuine connection with you. And next time wala nang flowers. Naku, ganun pa talaga. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.